When I saw the Lightboard for the first time, and this was the analog one, it really blew my mind. Then I saw the Smart-Lightboard, and it changed everything.
You get the power of a whiteboard, but more immersive. You can be up front and center with the content, and you can circle things, you can point to things, and the audience will immediately know what you're referring to.
You are inside of the content. We can use our own applications. We can use Miro, we can use Paint. Now, I'm a software developer, so I immediately saw that I can develop for this.
You can sit down with the whole team and I can show them a sketch and we can instantly draw and sketch out what we need to do going forward.
What we noticed is that the time from idea to we're starting to record and showing something is so much shorter now. It's so easy to create really good content without an enormous effort.
We're not only business partners, we're also co-creators and conference speakers.
Podcasters.
Yeah.
And of course we are married.
We are married. And now most people, they have a kitchen table.
We don't. We have a Smart-Lightboard.
We do.